It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2016 Dodge Ram 1500 Tradesman. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Ram. The driver's door has power door locks, power windows with 2 auto express windows, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel, we have some lighting controls and dials, rubber floor mats on the floor, a manually adjusted driver's seat, a cloth interior, and that center console opens up into an additional seat. Next, I'm going to hop in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our audio buttons along with the Bluetooth command, and on the right side we have the cruise control buttons. Next is our driver information center. Overhead, some interior light buttons. Next is the infotainment center. This screen displays the time and it also doubles as our backup camera with guidance. Our climate control buttons with air conditioning, integrated trailer brake controller, traction control, tow mode, 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive, a power plug-in down below. At the front of the Dodge Ram, we have a black grille cover, black tow hooks, 17-inch aluminum wheels, a 3-liter Ecodiesel V6 engine, chrome mirror caps, those mirrors are also heated, window vents on all 4 windows, rear tinted windows, chrome door handles, running boards down below, a tonneau cover, and inside the box of the truck is a spray-in box liner and cargo hooks. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 6-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, rubber floor mats on the floor, and we're able to lift these rear seats up for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2016 Dodge Ram 1500 Tradesman, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.